am not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared, guys. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren and I make videos on my travel adventures and kind of go around and tick things off my bucket list. And I like to take everyone along with me because life is so short and the world is so big. So yeah, I'm currently in Gatwick, Holiday Inn, and I'm very excited because today I am going to Costa Rica. For just over 5 weeks. It's a big trip and I am completely alone on this one, which I am slightly scared, mostly excited, but also slightly scared because this is the first big trip that I've done completely by myself, booked everything by myself. Nobody's here with me to hold me accountable for things. It's just me. I've got to put myself out there, out of my comfort zone, to have the best experience. So a little bit scary, but I just wanted to show everyone that you can do this, like no matter how scared. Like, I kid you not, I was nearly in tears when I left my home thinking, oh my god, I'm terrified, how am I gonna do this? So I thought I would just share that with you guys, because if you're scared of traveling by yourself, so am I, but you've got to push yourself out of your comfort zone. So that's what I'm doing today. I will show you my room. Actually, I filmed it last night, so here's that clip. So here's my little room tour. It's the night before I fly. So as you come in, you've got your kind of closet, a nice place here where you can hang your jacket up. I've got my shoes there. They've got an ironing board. I'm not using the closets, but I mean, they've got towels, they've got hair dryer. Of course, I'm only staying here overnight before I get my flight. So here is the bathroom. I'm in my pajamas, ready for hopefully a good night's sleep. I don't think I'm gonna sleep very much. And yeah, it's a really nice bathroom actually. I'm gonna have a nice shower before I go to bed. And let's see, we've got a nice double bed. This room was like £70, so not too bad. It's quite close. They have a shuttle bus, but it's like £4 extra. They don't really have many lights, I'm not gonna lie. Like, there's no lights on the ceiling. There's this one, there's the one next to the bed, and then I thought when I came in this was the light, and it just turned this on. So that's quite, I found that quite funny. So I've just been sat doing some work on my bed, just chilling, and yeah, it'll do for one night, so I'm very happy. I'm now going to call it a night, and I will see you guys in the morning. Also, a funny thing happened. So I was sleeping, picture this. I was sleeping and I set my alarm for 6:50. That phone goes off in the middle of the night, and I wake up and I have one of them moments where I'm like, where am I? Who am I? What's going on? I answer the phone eventually when I find out what it was, because it was making some weird noise, like it sounded like it was possessed or something. So I answer the phone and a receptionist goes, "Morning, your wake up call." And I was so delirious that I didn't process that I hadn't booked a wake up call, so I just went, "Thank you," and then I turned over, looked at my phone, saw that it was 5:30 in the morning, so I don't know whose wake up call they gave me, and I was just like, oh, because I'm one of them people that once I'm awake, I really struggle to get back to sleep, so I'm running on very much sleep right now. Had some coffee, and we're gonna go to the airport now. So outfit of the day, I'm wearing this like cute v-neck, long sleeved top from New Yorker, which is a German brand, I believe. I don't know, they have it in Germany. And then I'll try to show you, I've got kind of like these flare comfy black trousers, which are from ASOS, but I got them on Vinted. They were like £2, so we love a good bargain. So yeah, let's go to the airport. I am terrified, but come along with me.
I made it through security. My bag got pulled to the side by accident and it was carnage. So the guy was really nice and he like put it through a scanner where nobody was and it was all fine. It was just like an error in the machine. But I've got my prep, so I got coconut chai latte, latte wrap, and I got a cookie as well. So I'm just waiting for my flight details. So cheers. I've just come to my gate. It is now 10:06, so I've got an hour until I fly, but I'm at gate 27, so I've kind of got down here early. I might get a Costa, got to get that last caffeine fix. But yeah, the breakfast was really good. I went back into duty free and I bought myself something that's a bit naughty. I tried on a perfume that I've heard really good things about and it was on offer, so I got the set. I literally have no luggage allowance, like I've used it all, so I'm hoping that my cases are lighter once I've used like some of the other cosmetics and stuff. So I got the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo set and it was £58 instead of 73, so it's pretty good. I was really happy, that was a bargain, so that can be my Valentine's Day present to myself. Is anyone else sad and buy themselves Valentine's Day gifts because they have no one to give them Valentine's gifts? Because you know what, sometimes you just gotta love yourself, and that's what I'm going to try and do. Right, I got really deep. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my flight. I don't think I've actually said what I'm doing in Costa Rica yet, so I'll give you the lowdown. I'm going out there for just over 5 weeks. The first 3 weeks I'm going to be working in a animal sanctuary. I'll put the link down below to the animal sanctuary's website, so if you guys want to support them you can donate there, or if you're ever in Costa Rica and you want to visit, they do tours. I'm working 3 weeks there, and then that'll be with sloths and stuff, and then I've got a tour, and then I have a couple of days kind of like to myself, so I haven't planned anything for that. I'm going to see who I meet. It's kind of spontaneous for me. I normally like to have like everything planned, so I've kind of left a couple of days free. My best friend Trista, her friend is actually working in Costa Rica as well, so I'm hoping to meet up with her and maybe do some crazy fun activities, possibly a bungee jump, don't tell my mum. And then I'm doing a 10-day tour with True Travels, so right, there's my gate over there. So yeah, it's going to be a really jam-packed, fun travel trip, hopefully. There's so many cool activities I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned and watch the vlogs if you guys want to see me working with sloths. I think they have like crocodiles, like wild crocodiles out there that you can go and like go on tours to see and feed. I'm going to be doing zip lining. I'm going to be doing canyoneering again. I'm going to be doing whitewater rafting, which I've never done and that's on my bucket list. Possibly a bungee jump, surfing. There's like volcanoes, there's so many cool things, so I'm really excited now that I'm finally here. So yeah, come along with me and we will see what happens on this trip. This is really exciting. Also, before we go any further, if you guys haven't already, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. There's going to be so many videos, like I'm always booking new trips, so if you guys like travel content, then stick around. We are slightly delayed by like an hour because they can't cook all the food, but there's nothing wrong with the plane, so that's good. I just arrived in Costa Rica. It was an 11.5-hour flight. I'm now sat in this car waiting for some guy to pay for the parking. By some guy I mean he's from the rescue center. He had like a sign and everything, and I was talking to someone to make sure I got the right one. Oh, that's fun. That was not me. So yeah, he doesn't speak English, so he keeps having to Google Translate things so I know what he's saying. But other than that, it was very easy to find. Security was quick. Baggage claim took quite a lot. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, sir. So I'm just waiting for him to come back. He's just kind of left me in his car. I could go for a joyride right now, but it's on the other side. Like,
I honestly was so confused. I didn't know which side of the road they drive, which side the steering wheel is, because normally this is where I would be driving in England, so this is really weird. But yeah, I'm not sure how far it is to get to the sanctuary. I am so tired. It's like 2 in the morning my time, so I'm hoping to just go in and get straight to bed. I'm feeling a bit rough, if I'm honest. I think it's kind of like messed up my tummy a little bit from being on the flight, but I'm hoping to get a good night's sleep, hopefully have a relaxing day tomorrow. I'm hoping not to start work until Monday, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that luxury, so we'll see. I would love just a pool day tomorrow to kind of get used to it and kind of get over this jet lag, because I am so tired, but we'll see. It's nice and warm though. I am sweating right now. The humidity's crazy. But right, let's see. I don't know where my friend is. He's gone somewhere. I don't even know his name. I feel kind of bad. Oh my god. So I'm alive. I've made it to my room for the next 3 weeks. Oh my god. I am not gonna lie. I'm pretty scared, guys. I don't get scared often, but do you know what? If it doesn't scare you, then it's not worth it. So, little room tour. I've literally just been dropped here by some Scottish guy. Yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beds in this room. Then there looks like this must be the bathroom. Okay. Interesting. We love it. It looks like the only free bed is the top one. So good thing I ain't afraid of heights. I've never slept in a triple bed, but at least I've got some headroom, so I won't be claustrophobic. Great. What's in here? This looks like, I don't know, storage maybe? What is that? Oh, moisture. Oh, it's a moisture absorber. Okay. I mean, the place is clean. I mean, there's a lot of people here, I think. I don't know which. I'm guessing the top one's my bed. This is the thing. I'm so tired. I feel like people are gonna walk in and be like, who the hell is sleeping up there? I kind of want to meet them and like say hi. They've said that breakfast is at 6:30 in the morning, but he said it's not compulsory, so if I'm not feeling it, it's fine. I feel like people are going to be watching me through the windows. I'm really scared. They said if I'm not feeling it, then I don't have to go, so we'll see how I'm feeling. And I have a tour tomorrow at 11 o'clock, show me all the animals, all that sort of thing, and yeah. I'm really nervous. I don't get nervous normally with this sort of thing, like meeting people, but like honestly I was so like jet lagged and out of it that I was like, what's going on? So I'm a bit scared, but I don't know what to do now. Do I like unpack? Oh my god, it was quite funny because in the car, honestly, I was like, oh my god, this is so sketchy thinking about it. Like this, I literally walked out the airport, seen a sign that says Costa Rica Rescue Center, kind of looked at the guy, he looked at me and I was like, oh. Went over, he took my bag, and then I just went to his car and he drove me through all these back roads to here, so I don't know, we'll see. Do you know what, I'm actually quite happy if I'm on the top bunk, just looking, because look, like that one's like on the ground, and someone on the plane told me that I have to make sure there's no like, no scorpions in my bed. God, this is really weird. I just can't get over this. Am I crazy doing this? It looked like a nice bunch though, like there were loads of people outside. I didn't really want to say hi or anything yet because I'm just so out of it, but I mean, people are probably going to come back. I don't know, what's the time? It's 8:20. They're probably going to come back. I know the curfew's 10, so I don't know whether to start getting ready for bed. Are they going to walk in and be like, I don't know, we'll see. I'm getting delirious now. Thought I'd give you guys an update. So it is now nearly 9 o'clock Costa Rican time, so what's that English time? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, that's 4 a.m. my time, so I've nearly been up for 24 hours. I really want to go to bed, but I still don't quite know the bed situation. Like I've not been told which bed is mine. Like they've got numbers on them, but like how awkward would it be if they walk in and I'm in someone's bed asleep, like that would be so awkward. Like, what an impression to make. I'm thinking, tell me what you guys think. I'm thinking this bed's taken. I'm thinking this bed's taken because it looks like possibly that bed's definitely taken, that bed's definitely taken, that bed is definitely taken. Then this one looks like it's just got a load of like sheets and stuff thrown on top of it. The top one is like completely empty. So I don't really know what's going on. I don't know which bed to take. And I really want to go to bed. Like, I'm so tired. Like, I'm running on zero energy at the moment. I'm a bit sleep deprived, to say the least. I might try and stay up. I've got some Netflix downloaded. The other thing is I can't seem to get the Wi-Fi to work. And I'm in my pajamas, so I don't really want to walk out over to the group of people that I walked past when I came in my pajamas. And also I don't really know the way too well. You know when you're so sleep deprived that you kind of just like everything's a blur? So I don't really know how I got here. I feel like it would have been easier if I would have arrived like when it was daylight and I could have been a bit more rested and everything. I brushed my teeth, I've got my PJs on. I might just like write in my journal, watch some Netflix that I've got downloaded on my phone, and hopefully they'll be here soon because I really want to sleep. If not, I'm just gonna have to make a decision and stick with it. I think the top one's safe because it looks like there's only a pillow up there, so maybe that's my bed. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it for tonight. If anything else happens, of course, I'm probably not gonna vlog in front of the new people just yet. I'll see like what the vibe is and suss it out because I don't want to just shove a camera in their face, but I will update you if anything happens. If not, I will see you guys in another video. Bye!